Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm at Cvs Deadass. I'm the only one in the store. I've been in here for like almost 10 minutes and I haven't seen not one employee at all. Like, there's nobody here. Like, nobody. Anyways, guys, listen. I'm gonna try to do a 10 off of a 70 transaction. I'm hoping they have everything that I need. But if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay, here to help you save. And so definitely subscribe, definitely make sure you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications on so you never miss out. Yeah, so let's knock this out, guys. So this first deal that I'm gonna go ahead and grab is on the CoverGirl. It's a tier deal. It's buy 2 get back 5 or buy 3 get back 8. So for this I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 3 of them. Now for coupons, we have $4 coupons from our inserts, which are right here. We also have digitals as well, which I have one right there. We are all getting a 4 off of 1 CRT this week. So we're gonna grab 3. So we're gonna use probably 2 of these and 1 digital. That's 12, and then plus the $4 CRT is 16. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils right here, which are priced at $4.99, and we're gonna grab the double pack, which is priced at $5.79 right here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab these 3 right here. So $4.99, $4.99, $6.79 is $16.77. Mine is $4 coupons plus a $4 CRT, so we should pay 77 cents and get back 8, so it'll be a $7.23 money maker. So let's go try that. All right, so I'm already in the car. I only did this one transaction here because they don't have enough of the other stuff for my 10 off of 70 transaction. So I just did the CoverGirl. I grabbed 2 at $4.99, 1 at $6.79. I had her scan the 2 perfect points, and then we totaled it. We let the digital and the $4 CRT attach, and then I handed her the 3rd product, and she scanned that, and then I gave her the 2 coupons, and that's how I got the $4 CRT to come off. I paid a subtotal of 77 cents and got back 8. So yeah. Alright guys, so this next deal that we're gonna grab is gonna be on the L'Oreal. It's a part of spend 30 get back 10 this week. And so I don't actually have a 6 off of 30 L'Oreal CRT. I didn't get one this week. But I do have a 10 off of 70 that I'm gonna try to stack this deal into. So for this deal, the other store I was at, they didn't have almost any L'Oreal left, so they didn't have enough for me to work a deal. They have plenty here, so we're gonna do the same deal that I did, was it last week I think, with L'Oreal. All right, so we're gonna grab 3 of these, priced at $7.29, and then we're gonna grab this cleanser here, price is $7.99. All 4 is going to come to $29.86, which puts us within a 98% range of getting back the $10. Now for this, we're using 5 of 5. We're using 4 of the $5 coupons here. And mine's expired yesterday. We're going to use 4 of these, and that's going to bring your total down to paying $9.86, but you'll get back 10 in extra care bucks. So it'll be a small money maker. Now if you have a 6 off of 30 CRT, then you'll pay $3.86 out of pocket. You'll get back the 10. It'll be a $6.14 money maker. The next thing I'm gonna grab on this transaction is gonna be the CoverGirl. They don't have any of the cheaper mascaras, so I'll be grabbing the Ingot right here, which is $6.29, along with 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils at $4.99. So the total for all 3 is gonna be $16.27. We're using $4 coupons for each of them because I no longer have the digital available. And then we're also gonna be using the $4 CRT as well, which is gonna bring it down to paying 27 cents out of pocket. And then we'll get back the 8. And so, yeah. Alright, so next up is going to be on the Bayer. I think they did this deal, was it last week or the week before? Well, this deal is back, and I figured, well, why not, right? It's on Bayer. Bayer is buy 1, get 1 50% off, and it's also buy 2, get back 5. On one of my cards, I have a I think it's a 3 off of 10, but I just can't seem to make it work in my head without paying too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab 2 of them. So your first one is $3.99 and your second one is $2. The total's gonna come to $5.99, but you're gonna get back 5, making it 99 cents for 2, or only 49 cents each. So next up is gonna be on the Colgate Max Fresh. It's 2 for $9. It's also buy 2 get back 5. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll be using the 2 off of 2 coupon. Mine did expire on the 20th, and we're hoping it's gonna glitch with the $2 off of 1 digital, which is then gonna take off $4. You end up paying 5 and getting back 5, making them both free. Okay, so I'm not quite at 70 yet. I'm at like 61.12. So I'm gonna grab the Cetaphil wipes. I've been doing this deal every day. It's been resetting for me on Ibotta. This will probably be my last reset today, so I'm gonna do it again, and it's $3.69 for 1. Now for coupons, I've been using the 6 off of 2 coupon here, as well as the 3 off of 1. There are printables as well. Just hit up your Ip Fairies. Of course, mine are always listed in my description. And so you'll pay 69 cents, but get back $2.50 on Ibotta. It'll make this $1.81 moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these and go check out, and hopefully everything will work out. All right, guys. So this was perfect, you guys. It was so perfect. So there goes the Colgate at the very top. There goes the Bear. There goes our CoverGirl. There goes the L'Oreal's. And then there goes our Cetaphil. Okay, all my coupons all scanned. 6 off 30, 3 off 1. There goes all of our L'Oreal coupons. There goes the Colgate coupon. And then there goes the CoverGirl coupons. All right, and then there goes the digital for the Colgate. There goes our 10 off 70. There goes our CRT for the CoverGirl. So I wrote a total of $13 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was $133, so a total of $14.37 out of pocket. And then we got back a total of $28 in extra care bucks. Plus, hopefully, we'll get back that additional $7.50 on Ibotta for the Cetaphil wipes. All right, so I have another 10 off of 70 I'm gonna use, and so I'm gonna be doing a few of the same deals. So I'm gonna do Colgate again, and I'm gonna do CoverGirl again, and then I'm gonna add on a couple other deals. So let's see if this will work out just as smoothly as it did the first time. So our next deal is going to be on the Suave deodorant. It is buy one get one 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 2. So the first one's going to be $3.49. The second one is going to be $1.75. Your total is going to be $5.24. Now for this, I do have a $2 printable that I got from my fairy. I know it's an email coupon, so maybe sign up and maybe you'll get it. But I get mine from my Ip Fairy, who's always linked in the description. So with the coupon, you'll pay $3.24, get back $2 in extra care bucks, and then there's also rebates on Ibotta for 50 cents for each. So it'll bring them down to only 12 cents each. All right, so I want to do a household deal. It's spend 30, get back 10. Now this is the same promotion as L'Oreal, so I'm gonna put them together and see if I can make it work. Now we're gonna start off with the Gain Flings right here, which is priced at $5.49. For this we have $1 digital. We're gonna also be grabbing the Gain Liquid at $6.99, and for that one we also have $8 digital. And then last but not least, I'm gonna be grabbing the Downy Infusions Calm, the fabric sheets, which are priced at $6.99. And for this one, again, we have a digital as well. So these are the 3 products I'm gonna grab right here. I'm gonna add on a couple L'Oreal's and see if we can bring that total down. Total is $34.05 as of now, and then we have digitals for all of the laundry care, which is gonna take off $3, and then we have $5 coupons off of the L'Oreal, which will take off 10. So you'll pay $21.05, getting back the 10, which will net it at $11.05 for all 5 products, or how much divided by 5, or $2.21 each, which is not necessary. If I switch it to this, then before coupons, our total is $34.35, and then we're gonna have $2 in coupons off of the Gain, and then we'll have 15 in coupons on the L'Oreal, so it'd be 17. Then we get back to 10, which will make it $7.35 divided by 5. Make them $147 each. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that instead. Okay, I'm not quite at 70 yet, so I'm gonna grab one of the Cetaphil moisturizer lotions. I would grab more of the packs, but I don't think it's gonna reset for me any more than today. That's if it does. So I'll go ahead and grab one of these. They're priced at $4.29. We have this printable right here. I'll pop up who I got it from, bringing that down to 29 cents. I was gonna grab two, but I think I'm gonna grab one of these. Here is another good item you can use as a filler to get yourself to a threshold CRT without spending for it. And so they're 2 for $1. Now for this, I've been using this 3 off of 5 coupon from coupons.com. I believe it is no longer available. You'll grab 6 of them and they'll all be free. I think I've tried all of them except the Doritos, and that's just because I don't really like Doritos, but they all have worked for me. I've even gotten the popcorn as well, which they don't have here. And so yeah, go ahead and add on the Cottonelle to absorb some of the money that we've made, which is awesome, right? Real quick, I've been using these mega rolls at home, and these rolls are massive, especially when you're used to using like these little ones. I feel like these last forever. I just wanted to say that because I'm always like, I want more rolls, like I want this one, I don't want that one, but this one actually lasts a long time. But anyway, so listen, so I'm gonna grab 2 of the Cottonelle. They're $10.49, and it's spend 20 get back $5 coupons from inserts. We also have a dollar digital. We have a dollar digital as well that you can use. That'll bring the total down to what? It's gonna bring your total down to. Okay, that'll bring your total down to paying $18.98 out of pocket, but then you're gonna get back $5, making it $13.98 for 2 of them, are $6.99 each, which is basically free because we made money today, y'all. So we about to spend a little bit on something that we need. Well, let's just be honest, I don't really need it, but it's a good item to use the money on. And so yeah, of course, I would assume that that transaction was going to work out just as flawlessly as the one before, but it did not. I'm at a whole nother store right now, y'all, with like an hour in between. I had to go to Walmart. But listen, so this transaction was just, it was a kind of a mess. It was a headache for sure. But there goes the Coke. There goes the Coke at the very top. There goes the Cheetos. There goes the Gain Flings. There goes the Cottonelle, the Suave, the CoverGirl, L'Oreal, and then the Cetaphil. It was a mess. So the $4 CRT for the CoverGirl didn't come off. It was there. It didn't come off. The 10 off 70 was there. It didn't come off. And there was a line behind me. I really didn't want to have them void it and do it all over. And plus the cashier was new. And so what the manager ended up doing is I returned the CoverGirl. She was like, okay, if you want to return the CoverGirl, you can return it, one of them, and then you'll be able to use the CRT. So that's what we did. But the 10 off 70, she ended up giving me a $10 extra care buck, which I was like, oh my God, I love you a long time. So that was really cool because I do not like having to call customer service if I can help it. If I can have my situations all fixed in store, I do, because I've never really been lucky with calling customer service. So anyway, so look, as far as this receipt, it was supposed to be $33.78, and I ended up rolling 43, I want to say, in extra care bucks plus $4.78 a pocket. So I did use the $4 CRT, so we'll just bring that down to 78 cents. And then the $10 up here, so it would be $33.78. So it'd be $33.78, and then getting back $30 in extra care bucks. Right? Yeah. 2 5s, a 10, and a 2. No. 2 5s, a 10, an 8, and a 2. Yeah, so we got back 30 minus 30 plus the $1 on Ibotta for the Suave, so it nets it at $2.78, which is not necessarily bad. I just hate that I had to go through the whole headache. but it's still worth it. So here is our complete haul for today. This haul was so amazing, so magical, like pixie dust and unicorns and butterflies. Okay, maybe not butterflies. All right, so my 10 off 7 didn't come off. The cashier, the manager was super, and I love her to pieces. Like, love her to pieces. She's one of my favorite managers, and she force printed me 10, or basically, well, 2 5s. And I'm always grateful when they force print me something because I know they don't have to. Like, she could have been like, okay, call customer service in 48 hours. But she didn't. And I love them for that. Like, I love my managers, and my cashiers are so awesome. And I'm always grateful and appreciative. Like, I'm always giving them coupons whenever I can because I know that I just want to let them know that I'm thankful and I'm grateful. You know what I mean? They're super patient with me. They're always willing to. I feel like I'm doing a CVS ad. they're always willing to, like. They're patient and they work with me, and they're always allowing me to try. Like, your girl being there trying some stuff. Like, let's try this. Like, my CRT for the CoverGirl wasn't working. Okay, well, let's try this. And that didn't work. Okay, well, let's try this. And eventually it worked, but I love that they're so patient with me, and they're willing to try things with me, and I absolutely love that. And so with the CoverGirl, we did it across the board. I went ahead and grabbed two of the perfect blends and one of the Ink It, and used paper coupons. Let me show you a receipt really quick because I don't think I showed you those receipts. So there goes there. There goes the paper coupons, the CRT. We paid 27 cents subtotal, and we got back 8. I did this same identical transaction twice. Only on this one I used digital. And 2 paper coupons plus the CRT. 27 cents was our subtotal. We got back 8. And then this one here, it was priced a little. I think I got a different item probably. Let me see. I must have got a different item. Maybe it was this one right here, I'm thinking, because I don't remember. Anyways, it was $6.79, and then the 2 perfect blends, we used a digital, and then 2 paper coupons plus CRT, paid 77 cents subtotal, and then we got back the 8. These are the only deals I did on these cards. The other 2 cards I did 10 off 70s, which is really cool. Other than that, you guys, everything you see here retails $215.63. I had $165 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $50.63. Now, I do walk away with a total of $82 in extra care bucks, and then hopefully $8.50 from Ibotta. So that brings us to a total of $90.50 back, making everything you see here free plus a $39.87 moneymaker, y'all, which is awesome. We made nearly $40 off this haul, which is just awesome. Now, I know I probably could have did Cottonelle a couple more times. I probably could have did householdy. I was just like, I wasn't even trying to do it, y'all. I was just trying to get in and get out, and I was there a little longer than I wanted to be. Josiah was out of school all last week because he's sick. My allergies have been kicking me in my total whole butt right now. So I feel like I'm super, super nasal right now. So I've been trying to really just take it easy. I don't think I'll be back at CVS this week. If I do, I probably won't go back until maybe Thursday or Friday. Other than that, you guys, what else? Oh, my tax. Let's not forget the tax, because you got to pay your tax, man. So the tax on this was $15.84. And even after tax, we still make $24, you guys, which is just awesome. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on the way out the door, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.